In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sound to your Figma prototype. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Adding audio can really enhance interactivity and engagement in your designs, so let's get started. First, you'll want to open Figma and navigate to the frame where you want to add your audio. Just select that frame. This is the part where audio will play in your prototype. Once you're there, you're off to a great start. Next, you'll need to access the action search within Figma. This is a handy tool that lets you find various components and plugins. In the action search, type in Punch Cut Audio Player. This is the plugin we'll be using to add sound to our prototype. It's quite powerful, and you'll find that it opens up a variety of audio options. Once you've located the Punch Cut Audio Player in the search results, click on it. This will enable the audio functionality for your selected frame. Don't worry, it's straightforward and user-friendly. You should see a prompt or some options appear once you click. Now comes the fun part, selecting your audio. You can either choose an audio file from the available options or paste in a URL if you have a specific sound in mind. If you have custom audio that you want to use, now's the time to add that in. This feature even allows you to customize certain aspects, making it easy to integrate the sound seamlessly into your design. After you've made your selection, take a moment to ensure the audio settings reflect what you want in your prototype. You can adjust volume, looping settings, and more, depending on how you want the user to experience your design. Don't forget to preview your prototype to see how the audio interacts with the other components. This step is crucial to ensure everything sounds just right and fits within the flow of your project. Once you've configured everything, it's time to test. Click on the Present button in the upper right corner of the Figma interface to enter presentation mode. This will allow you to experience your prototype as your users would. Make sure to check if the audio plays at the correct moments and enhances the user experience, just like you envisioned. Of course, if you find that something isn't working as expected, you can always go back to the frames where you implemented the audio and make adjustments as necessary. Flexibility is key in the design process, and that's part of the fun. So to recap, you start by selecting your frame, search for and select the Punch Cut Audio Player, pick your audio file or URL, customize as needed, and then preview your prototype to test it out. Adding sound can breathe life into your prototypes and create a more immersive experience for users. And there you have it. You've successfully added sound to your Figma prototype. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for you. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and consider subscribing for more design tips and tricks. See you next time.